Put the hearing aid in the charging case. Connect the charging box with the provided data cable. The hearing aid will automatically turn on after leaving the charging box for 5 seconds. When the eardrum head touches an object, it makes a sharp whistling sound. To avoid howling, please choose a suitable eardrum head. Too big will make you uncomfortable, too small will cause howling. Before wearing, press the button to adjust the hearing aid sound to the lowest. When wearing, hang the hearing aid on the ear. Too big will make you uncomfortable, too small will cause howling. After wearing it, adjust the volume to a suitable sound zone according to your own situation. In order to extend the life of hearing aids, it is recommended that you regularly clean the body and eardrum with a brush. When the sound guide tube is blocked, unscrew the sound guide tube and clean the guide tube with a breather rod. After the hearing aid is turned on, you can use the exclusive app to control the volume and program of the hearing aid.